Hello everyone. So I just bought my second oscilloscope to replace my old HannStek uh, toy oscilloscope. So this is 4 channel oscilloscope, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is from Instek GDS-2204E. This is a 200 megahertz 1 giga sample oscilloscope. I just bought it I can say quite cheap, around 250 US dollar or around 7,000 Taiwan dollar. But it have one big problem. You can see in here, I can show you. Yeah, the screen is already a little bit old and have this line. But it doesn't matter because I just bought the replacement. Tada, around $20. Pretty simple. So this is the control board for the screen. So we need to pull this connector and then this connector, and then the 4 screw on the top side and then the bottom side, one here and then this one in the corner. So first we pull this one, and then for the LED, the screen, so we can push this black connector, this clip slowly, and we put on the side, and we put this cable, and then before we unscrew this 4, we need to pull all of this one. It's very easy, just pull out this knob. All of them, and then we flip it again like this. Then we need to open this 4 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I forgot there is another screw in the middle, this one in the middle. Then you just move this slowly from the outer case, and then tada, it's pretty simple. You can do this like 15-minute job. So we need to we can put this on the side too. Then we do this like this. See, to replace the screen, you need to unscrew all of the screws. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screw. Yeah, you don't have any option. So just start it. last one for the PCB. Yeah. Oh yeah, you need to, don't forget, yeah, the connector. You need to pull out this one very slowly and need to be very careful. Okay, so just like this, we put on the side too. Okay, so we have another 4 screw for the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about the screw because only have 2 type screw in this oscilloscope, so it's very easy. You will not like messing up with screw. Don't worry about that. And then the last one should be here. Okay, now we just pull out like this. So the screen itself, there is outer case. This is from the oscilloscope, so we need to pull out the outer case from the screen and then replace the inside the screen. So we just need to bend this one like this. Bend out like this, and then you can slowly push the screen out. Just like this, little by little. So you do like this. Okay, so this is the old screen. So if you want to see the code, the code should be is HSD080IDW1. So this is the serial number or code, the part number of the screen. And then for the new one, let's see about the new one. Make sure it's same. Still on the plastic. We'll open it later. So yeah, I think it's same. Okay, just yeah, I mean from physical, it's nothing different. The connector is same. Have 2 connector. So we just install it and see what happens. And then it should be put like this. This is the bottom side. Oh, sorry, I need to focus it again. Yeah. So this is the bottom part. Be like this, and we just put, oh wait, we need to do this first, very gently, because this is the connector. This so we need to like this, for the connector, and push it back to the case. Yeah, it's very easy. And then we clip back to hold the screen. this. So just put back again. And screw first. Oh, don't forget, I forgot, there is something different with the case. So for the case is more longer, the screw. For the screen is more shorter. Then the last one. Before we put the PCB back, we can test it to see. So let's put this here. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm so clumsy. We did two. Install the connector first. Yes, little bit hard. Okay. This and then put the clip back. Okay, I think it should be okay. And then this one, I need to see the out. So the out one is have some mark like this. So the white is on this side. It should be like this. Yeah. Okay, so after we make sure the connector is okay, we can try to start it to see the result. Let's see together. Please wait a moment. Yes, but why is white on the outer? There is no line, but white, there is white. Is it from the screen or is it from the controller? I don't know. I don't know. Or maybe this is from the contrast. You can see, I don't know, you can, but yeah, you can see that there is a white color on the corner of the LCD. I'm a little bit disappointed, but at least there is no line. I think it's okay. Yeah, I mean the result is not like what I expect. I expect that it will be perfectly because it's new. Okay, just continue. Maybe it will be get better. I will install the connector again. Okay, let's finish. And we reinstall the connector. Maybe something broken. I don't know. Okay, install again. Connector is very stubborn. I hope it will be fixed, but I guess no, it will be safe. Yeah, so maybe I need to check it more about this board, or maybe this connector. I don't know. I will install the connector. Maybe not very good the installation. I will check it later. Okay, so we reinstall everything again from the front part. The PCB. This. Like this. So I will not screw all of them very tight. At first, I will do it when the screw already in all of them. Because you know, I don't want to return the screen again and then wait to them to send again. I don't want to do that. So yeah, okay, maybe this is what I get for that price, but I think it's okay as long there is no line that bothering me every time I measure or see the waveform. Maybe the contrast, I don't know. Let's see further. I will yeah, maybe make some video about that later. I don't know. Okay, so put back the connector and then the front cover first, because these have all of the buttons, so we need to don't follow my guide. I will wipe it out. Because it's a little bit hard. Okay, so why I need to put it like this, because the button is like this. So if I just press it, it will be. I'm scared that the button will be not sit in very nice and make problem. So I will hold it like this. The screw again. And disconnect. I'm very clumsy. Make it sure it's tight. Make sure it's tight. Okay, so we can put the back cover again. Make it click. Why this one is don't work. Okay. Then we can screw in all of the four corners. Two on the top. And two on the bottom side. Wait. Okay. Oh, don't forget I forgot to put the protection, the plastic protection from the new screen. Oh. Okay, I will open it again. I will cut the video. See you on the finished result. Yeah, so I just install everything, open back and then pull out the protective layer and reinstall everything. So yeah, this is the result. Yeah, my expectation is it will be very perfect with the new screen, but yeah, you can see that there is screen bleeding, and I hope it will not getting worse, because to find the screen itself is already pretty hard, because they use non very generic screen for this oscilloscope. So only some shop that sell the screen itself. But yeah, this is the result. Yeah, I mean it's better than previous screen. I just make me more happy to accept this result. But yeah, okay lah, I will accept this. So yeah, that's the process that I want to share a bit, how to replace the oscilloscope screen. So if you found a cheap oscilloscope with a bad screen, you can buy it and replace it to be usable again. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you to see. Bye bye.